The industry ultimately wants to make sure that its supply chains can get medicines to patients. In the manufacturing space, I think technology now is being used to improve the customer's manufacturing processes. The life science industry of old, data used to sit in pockets within different parts of the manufacturing process, and that data was locked up and wasn't released. Now what the industry is trying to do is to release key data that resides in the OT layer and get that data up into the cloud, where people that need that data transform the industry to improve efficiency, reduce the cost of the supply and increase quality. Because we work so closely with our clients, we understand the challenges that our clients are facing. Those challenges are the same whether you're working in a manufacturing facility in North Carolina or you're working a manufacturing facility in Shanghai. The biggest thing on any customer's mind is they need a surety of the supply chain. And in Cognizant, our services and our knowledge of technologies that can assure customers that they are going to produce medicines that meet regulatory requirements is of key importance.